Want real-time updates on your DHL packages? This guide will show you how to set up email and SMS notifications for your shipments. First, you'll need a free My DHL account. Go to DHL's website or download the app, available on iOS and Android. Sign up using your email and phone number. You'll receive a one-time password for verification to ensure security. Once logged in, add your tracking number, which is a unique 10-digit number or QR code found on your shipping label. The DHL Smart Track platform uses machine learning to provide real-time, predictive alerts for potential delays based on weather data, traffic patterns, and historical shipment data. It alerts you through email and SMS to improve the speed of delivery information. After adding your tracking number, customize your notification preferences. Choose between email and SMS alerts. Email alerts provide detailed updates on milestones like pickup, transit, customs clearance, and delivery. SMS alerts offer quick updates on key status changes. For more advanced options, use the DHL app for push notifications and in-app reminders, including estimated delivery windows and proof of delivery photos. You can also customize the notification language and time zone. DHL's system is triggered by a global network of sensors and scanners to ensure accuracy. You can manage multiple shipments from your dashboard, and basic alerts are free. SMS alerts reduce delivery complaints by 45%, and it is recommended to enable them to improve the quality of your delivery service.